Okay, we are doing the Spore Stain today. It's a multi-step process. We're going to flame our loop here. We have two cultures. I've already done the Bacillus megaterium, and then we have Bacillus subtilis. So I'm trying to flame that loop. Let it cool. I'm taking a culture off of a petri dish. It's on nutrient agar. I'm going to smear it onto the slide. So I'm going to lift the lid, just get a small swab of it. So here we're doing our smear. I'm going to flame my loop. We always flame before and after. So I am done with the loop now. So I can handle the slide, I'm putting this clothespin on it. Now I'm going to heat fix it. That's where we just pass it through the flame a few times. That is going to kill the organism, number one. It adheres it to the slide, number two. And number three, it's going to help with the penetration of the stain. We'll let those sit for a bit. We are waiting for our beaker with water to heat up to boiling, because the next step is we need to steam while trying to add the dye, so the dye or the stain will penetrate into the cell. Okay, we've already heat fixed our slides, and now what we're going to do is place them try to keep it from flipping off. I'm trying to do two of these at once. So I'm going to put them side by side like this. Now what you do for the Spore Stain is you take a piece of builder's paper, not lens paper, builder's paper. We're going to place it over where I previously smeared the sample. And now we are going to flood this with malachite green. So just flood the paper with the malachite green. You do not want the dye to dry out on here. You measure or count this for 3 minutes. So we just need to watch this. You can't walk off and go do something else. You need somebody to watch this so that it does not completely dry up. It starts to dry, then you add more. So like I say, you'll do this for 3 minutes. Okay, the 3 minutes has passed. I had to repeatedly add the malachite green to keep it from evaporating. Now I'm going to pull off that paper. Using forceps, I'm putting it on this paper towel. This will be disposed of in the biohazard container. So after we've removed the bilbous paper that had the malachite green on it, you can see there's still some malachite green, so we're just going to gently rinse. Now we're going to add the counter stain, which is saffron red. So we're going to put this on. It will stay on for 1 minute. So here comes the saffron red. Like I said, we'll let that sit now for 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute is up, so now we're going to rinse the saffron red off. And just like you're used to for a lot of other stains, we are going to now blot it in the bilbous paper. Remember, don't press it too hard. You don't want to break the slide. When you're done, then we're going to view it under the microscope.